take a break from cooking today. Alright, I have a lot of things to do. Water the plants. Clean the pool. I didn't clean it yesterday. I was so busy. And I'm thinking of going swimming today. It's really hot because summer is coming here in the Philippines. So, alright, let's go. Now we have to start cleaning the pool. There's a lot of leaves. Yeah, I got a lot of leaves. Dirt. This is from underneath the water. To clean the deck right here. Alright guys, it feels good. I got something done today. I'm tired, I'm sweating, but I'm glad I can go swimming today. I already put chlorine last night, so it's ready. I'm going to turn the filter on now. One is for the fountain. There you go. So that's the fountain. At the same time, it's a filter on this one. And the other one is in the other side of the pole. So it's really dangerous what's here. You know, one wrong step and you're down. Okay, there you go. Here's the other filter. Here's the third one. It looks like woods. This is my little garden. And this is the wave of love. My wave of love. It's so beautiful. Look, this is an above the ground pool. Okay. When I came here last year during the pandemic, I decided to build a pool, and this is it. So my family also can enjoy it. This is a private pool, only for family. You can see underneath, it's really clean. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a rest a little bit and change so I can go swimming. Alright, see you later. There's my little garden. So beautiful. It's so cold in here. Choy, you go swimming with Mama? Choy, Choy, you go swimming with Mama? Huh? Or you stay here? You stay here? Alright, bye-bye. Hey, so my husband decided not to go swimming with me. So I'm gonna go alone. Okay, but before that, I have to rinse myself. We don't have a shower outside, so I'm gonna be using this hose to rinse off myself. Yeah. The water is tempting. I'm sure it's really cold. Feels so good. It's really cool. You wanna go swimming, Kendra? You wanna go swimming? Huh? Huh? Oh, did you wash up yourself? You have to rinse off yourself first. Over there. What? Down there. Okay. Yeah, you have to clean up. Okay? Yes, coming. Come on, come on in, come on in, come on in. Kendra, Kendra, come over here. Please be swimming. Ate Kendra Inglesera. So Bisaya today?
Yeah.
All English, huh?
Yes.
Speak English.
Yeah, I speak English already.
Okay, come here. Come.
Hey, coming.
Okay. Okay.
No.
What did you say?
I say now.
Oh, you said now?
Yes.
Oh, and now what? Huh? Where's Scarlett?
Scarlett is there. She's crying.
And she's coming with you? No?
She's crying.
She's not gonna go swimming?
Yeah. You don't have a life jacket.
No life jacket. No life vest.
So I need
Just you. Okay. So enjoy. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Ready? 1, 2, go! Go! I'm gonna get ready. Oh my God! Oh, Kendra, with me. Kendra is going to meet me.
done. I love you, Jess.
Yay! You win! Alright guys, thank you for watching. Till next time.